I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
Close my eyes, she's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. In her eyes, she goes with me to a blossom room.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the I don't know where, but she sends me there. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations happening with her. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations happening with her. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? So change everybody that hates before it's too late. So proud to be free, but who can we blame? Don't be ashamed. Do you think we can change? fishbowl year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found? The same old fears. Wish you were here. We don't need any more pain. We just need to remain on the very same page. So much to gain. No more losing a friend, we're losing ourselves. We just need your help. So glad you're here. So glad you're here.
On certain Sundays in November, when the weather bothers me, I empty drawers of other summers where my shadows used to be. And she is standing by the water as her smile begins to curl. In this or any other summer, she is something altogether different, never just an ordinary girl. And in the evenings on Long Island, when the colors start to fade, she wears a silly yellow hat that someone gave her when she stayed. I didn't think that she returned it. We left New York in a whirl. Time expands and then contracts when you are spinning in the grips of someone who is not an ordinary girl. And when you sleep, you find your mother in the night, but she's still to fall. I put my summers back in a letter, and I hide it from the world. All the regrets you can't forget are somehow pressed upon a picture in the face of such an ordinary girl. And when you sleep, you find your mother in the night, but she fades just out of sight. So there isn't any sweetness in the dreaming. And when you wake, the morning showers you with light, and it makes you feel alright. But it's just the same hard candy you're remembering again, 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 again. It is just the same hard candy you're remembering again, 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 again. It is just the same hard candy you're remembering again. Go ask her to come around and see me late after dark. Don't ask me to come around, then wait to see if there's a spark.